Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Bloodstrike on PC, so let's start. If you have or you want to have this game, you can download on your Steam. So you have to only register on the Steam, install Steam on your PC, and looking for Bloodstreak. And when you do it, you can add to your account. It's completely free, and you can see free to play. It doesn't have price, so you can play it. If you want to add a controller, well, you can do it without any problem. So just click here on play, and you can go to Steam install, or if you don't need it, well, you can download it. But I recommend you to download Steam because it's better experience playing the games there. So just game it, and you can add to your library here, and you can check if you prefer. And then, well, if you wanna play, just go to the play button, and that's it. So that is how you can play Bloodstreak completely free in a official place without any problem. So guys, I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.